What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to solve the Hernand Castle Strongbox puzzle in Crimson Desert. First and foremost, you need a key and a mask. You can buy them from the back alley shop southeast of Hernand Town. Once you have them, go to Hernand Castle just northeast of the town. To enter the gates, you must wear a Hernandian attire, which you can get by completing that main quest, where you clean a couple's chimney somewhere along the first chapter. Once you're inside the castle grounds, follow the path to the right until you pass the second gate, and keep going until you're inside the main castle. From the castle entrance, take the first right doorway you see, and climb up the stone stairs. Upon reaching the next room, take the next flight of wooden stairs and keep going until you reach the top room. Approach the only door at the top. You'll automatically use the key you bought to unlock the door. And inside that room is the strongbox. Interact with it to start the puzzle. Now I'll be calling the 3 keys above as the top keys and the 5 keys below as the bottom keys, with the order being from left to right. Make sure to follow this combination I'm about to say in the right order. Press the first top key. Press the 4th bottom key. Press the 3rd bottom key. Press the 4th bottom key again. Press the 3rd top key. Press the 1st bottom key. Then finally, press the 3rd top key. After you input the correct key order, the strongbox will unlock. Open it, equip your mask, and steal the lavish meal recipe inside. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.